Changing your payout method on Payout is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment preferences are updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Start by logging into your Payout account using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the account associated with the payout method you wish to change. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Access payment information. In the account settings menu, look for a section labeled Payment Information or Payout Methods. Click on this option to view your current payout settings. Step 4. Update your payout method. In the Payment Information section, you will see your existing payout method. Select the option to edit or change this method. Follow the prompts to enter your new payout details such as bank account information or payment service details. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new payout method, ensure that you save the changes. Look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page and click it to confirm your new payment preferences. By following these steps, you can successfully change your payout method on Payout. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Payout support for assistance.